Hello there. This is VS Code with the BlockTalk sample project from GitHub. We can just press run to start the emulator. Select compile contract to get the AT bytecode. Select and copy the code, we will need that to register our AT contract. Here we are using the testnet. Just paste the code copied previously. Add a description and then submit. Let's check our account. It will take a while to the new AT appear. Here it is, let's copy its address. Let's send 100 bursts to the contract. Our transaction is now pending. In this special testnet, blocks are forged every minute. Now the contract should send back 99 bursts since the activation fee was set as 1 burst. This will happen in the next block. It might take a while. Here it is, a refund contract works. Thanks for watching, check the description for more details. BlockTalk, easy to use smart contracts for Burst.